G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's February 24, 2024. This is the nat gas price update. The overall trend is bearish, although we have retraced back to the 61% Fibonacci levels, more to the bearish outlook. So just be careful about going long, no sign of bullish movement yet. So in quick news for a potential rebound, US natural gas prices are showing signs of stabilization after a bearish trend, potentially signaling a bullish outlook. Key technical indicators suggest a crucial zone for buyer interest. Chesapeake's production costs cuts and short covering rally have boosted optimism, but challenges remain with high inventory levels and mild weather demand. If buyer engagement holds and producers maintain discipline, a steady upward trend could materialise. However, close monitoring of inventory and weather patterns is crucial for near-term direction. So first with the natural gas commodity price, and especially for those new to the channel, I'll just recap all three timelines. You've got the weekly, daily and hourly. And you can see there on all three timelines we're in a bearish momentum with the ADX 25 still bearish. On the CCI 150 you can see there it's tracking in line with the price, and that's used primarily as a divergence indicator. You can see there we had a couple of bearish divergence on the CCI 150 versus higher highs in the price on the weekly. I also include these arrows, these red and blue arrows, which indicate a potential reversal, and they're similar to the zigzag but actually more fixed than in a zigzag. So where the zigzag is dynamic and changes, these are fixed and don't change. So you can see here there was bearish outlook and the prices did fall off in each instance, and here we've got a bullish outlook and the price did rise but then it's fallen off again. So there's no current arrows to indicate a bullish or a bearish outlook so far. On the daily, likewise bearish outlook overall. We did have a small bullish divergence on the CCI 150, a couple of bullish arrows indicated there after that little bullish arrows there as well with a bit of a rise. So again, doesn't mean a full scale reversal, it just could mean a bit of a retrace to the upside. On the hourly, you can see there, I'll just blow this one up. You can see there we had a bullish divergence back here versus the lower lows on the price. The price bounced, hit our target area, and that was to the 23 to 38% Fibonacci level, this Fibonacci range here, which went back to that previous high. Now more recently, we've had this again after that bounce. It hit the target area in that rectangle, and we've got another Fibonacci range here. And I've indicated there a target area between 23 and 38 with that rectangle, hit our target with all those red candles, or red arrows I should say. It's broken down past the 38% and actually now resting at the 61% Fibonacci level of this Fibonacci range. Now if this falls much further than that in the opening trades during the week, we're going to see more downside, and potentially that'll be our next level of support at 1584. So if I go now to the next chart, which is the BOIL, ProShares Ultra DJ UBS Natural Gas Fund, ETF. You can see they're bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily and bearish on the hourly. However, we've got a bullish divergence on the weekly versus lower lows on the price. Bullish divergence on the daily as well, the CCI 150 versus lower lows on the price. And again, they just showed a bounce after that consolidation and double bottom on the price there with a bullish divergence as well. Hit our target and now bouncing back down to the downside. Next, ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas, KOLD. Bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily, and just turned bullish on the hourly as well. You can see there that's moving in line with the price, no divergence on the weekly. There is a bearish divergence on the daily, lower highs versus higher highs on the price. You can see they're indicated by those red arrows for further downside. And on the hourly as well, you can see there it's broken down and just resting at the 61% retracement level. So again, if it breaks lower than that, we're going to see more downside. Otherwise here it's actually bounced in accordance with those blue arrows, and it's bounced further to the upside. So that's a slight positive for KOLD. And lastly, we've got UNG United States Natural Gas Fund. And this one's showing bearish movement on the weekly, bearish on the daily and bearish on the hourly. We've got a bullish divergence on the CCI 150 on the weekly versus lower lows on the price. Bullish on the daily versus the price as well. And we had a bullish divergence on the hourly versus that double bottom, and that's also bounced and now retracing back down towards this support. So again, the overall trends are bearish for most of these charts. Hit these key Fibonacci levels, so just be careful of going in the opposite direction until we see more sustainable bullish movement. A lot of the indicators shown here are attached with the links to videos to the links below. Feel free to reference those and watch those videos to get a better understanding how to draw the indicators. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something on the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell and see you in a future video.